Hi, welcome to the video. So outside right now, I'm going to be checking some, like abandoned building, kind of like what I've done previously, and we'll just see how it goes. So as I said, it's pretty quiet. Luckily it's not too muddy either. That would have been a problem. I think last time the vegetation was much higher previously, so it meant it was a bit more difficult to, I guess, look around. Wasn't able to. Hopefully the camera is stable. So I'm just gonna keep on moving. I don't really do well at commentaries when it comes to this sort of stuff. I probably should be talking in like a spooky voice or something, considering the spooky videos I've done, but I haven't done a script or anything. It's got a tree back there. It's quite a big one. Just going to turn it around. So if I just flip the camera around, I can show you what's in front of my line of vision. So this is what I'm currently looking at, some kind of abandoned building, as you can see. If we just go past this, move out of the way. As you can see, it is boarded up for a reason. I'm not actually going to go inside because that would be stupid, but let's have a little walk around and just see what it's like. Okay, as you can see, there's quite a bit of vegetation, but there should be some kind of pathway to at least get through, I guess. I think last time there was a lot of nettles, so that's what made it difficult. So I'll just keep on walking through and then see where we get to. Okay, so this is what it looks like from this angle. You got the building up here. From that view, you can see it's all sealed off, which is fine. And then the board there. Someone's been drinking recently. I wonder who. Is there much back here? Nope, nothing. Just look like someone's tried pulling that away. I think the other key thing is I did hear a lot of birds, mainly pigeons, which I assume are up there in the roof. So that's one reason not to go in, because of the gets the atmosphere. You breathe it in, it's not good for you. So that's another reason. You just look at it from this angle. So there's a bit of graffiti and stuff, which is quite typical. No surprise there. Any noise in the background, that's just like some cows, bulls. Got a grid there. I'm not going to step on it because no, my luck, I'll probably fall right through. See, it's really overgrown. We'll look down there afterwards. I think there's bits of slate as well. Hopefully I can capture all of this without rushing. As you can see in there, can't really see too much. Assume there's not much going on. A door there, or once was, from that angle. So you can, so that's definitely worn quite bad. Let's get around this corner. We'll have a little look down there afterwards. A few cables here and there attached to the house, which are now disconnected, no longer in use. You can see one example there. I'm not going to touch it. Different wires, which go all the way up. Okay. And then basically you've just got background there, which is the front, which I showed you beforehand. Okay. So let's just turn back this way. And what we're going to do, we're just going to head on down this way and see what's going on. There's a bit of rubble, some wreckage, a wall there. There's another small building. That's a bit of a dead end to the left. So a little look here. Some post beam resting on the tree. All the way down. And also going across, all beamed. Definitely worn and old. And really here, it's not too much, a few bottles and stuff. Pan around. So far, pretty stable, you know, nothing too loose. It's an old wall. Okay. So if we look here, this is kind of looks a bit weird. Some kind of cubicle or something, whatever that may be. It's dead end. And if we just look here, whatever that is. Don't know what that is now. Some cabling as well. Okay. So let's just have a look over this way and see what else is going on. Quite a few loose bricks. That's where that box on the other side goes through, so I don't know if that was used for animals passing through or something, maybe. What's in here? It looks a bit weird. The roof very loose, hanging off. Up there, another building and window, you can see. And another, I guess, dead end of some sort. Okay. Definitely overgrown thorns and prickly stuff. Make sure I don't catch myself. What's in here? Wow, this is even more enclosed. Try and fit this through. Definitely overgrown. Got some furniture there of some sort, which isn't that old. I don't know what that's doing there. Kind of weird. So, another look down this way. Actually, I think it might be a dead end. Yes, it is a dead end, and as you can see, that is sealed off as well. Also, you can see maybe that the roof is quite damaged if I just raise it up a bit. Okay, so let's just head back and see if there's anything else. Okay, so just got back to the centre of this abandoned yard, abandoned whatever. So now, what we're going to do, just look forwards. We're going to go around this side now, kind of like how we did on the other side, and just see if there's anything, okay? Luckily the ground isn't too uneven, so I'm not going to injure myself, because it's very flat. Let's have a look here. Got another dead end where it's either caved in or some sheeting covering maybe an entrance. I think there's like a window there, but that's just basically on the other side what I showed you beforehand. No loose bricks, so nothing is gonna, you know, fall down and knock me on the head. Keeping my distance from anything that may be loose. Some boards there, graffiti on. Trees. And then it looks like some kind of big gate. So maybe the barn or something. That's closed. Not accessible. Sort of, you know, the actual buildings themselves are sealed up quite well. Obviously that won't stop some people, you know. So we just carry on down this way. Comes to like a bend, and you've got a building which looks a bit knackered in itself. Some tyre track, so some vehicle or something has been here maybe to clear things up, whatever that may be. And obviously there's rubble there, all building up and stuff. So yeah. Look up that way, zoom in if there's anything. Don't think there's much. So you've got that. And concrete there as well. And then it's kind of like a yard, an open yard, which looks a bit weird. Okay. More sheeting now. Are that hand prints, hand marks? I don't know. Probably not. Got a grid there, which is blocked, completely full. And then some kind of makeshift fence or something attached to the concrete blocks. There's another bag there, so someone's been using it for something. Let me just pan back round from where we were at. Got the building now, another one, maybe the barn. Got some trees, bushes, and then some bricks. You can see. I don't know what this is. It's like 2 posts. Got a bit of tape on. Holes in the ground. Yeah, not quite sure what that is. And then, let's have a look from here. So yeah, pretty desolate, pretty worn and damaged. So yeah, I mean, ultimately and realistically, all the buildings are completely sealed. There's no way of getting in. And based off, you know, the current structuring and architecture of the buildings, they are unstable and not practical, nor, you know, nor is it a good idea to access, even if there might have been like an entrance. Plus with the birds as well, you know. But I think for starters, exploring the yard, kind of interesting. So yeah. Okay, so had a look around like I showed you, it being back there. Kind of interesting. You tell me what you think down below in the comment section. I don't know if anything creepy or paranormal was caught on camera, whether it be some kind of figure or shadow, or maybe there is something lurking behind me right now. You never know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see what happens next time if there is something else to look at. And yeah, I think that basically sums it up. So I'll see you in the next video, which may be a mystery one, or it might be another one of these type. We'll see. So yeah, goodbye.